Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have in mind doing a flip and drag today with some bright colors and then with some metallic colors. I have a metallic worn penny, I have some gold, and I have a tiny bit of sterling silver. And I am going to use my little tiny plastic, I guess this is a shot glass. And I'm just going to do a flip and drag on this 8x10 canvas. Some of the bubbles out there. I really love this worn penny. It's like a copper color. What's left in here of this sterling silver. Set that on its side. Maybe I can get some more out of it. Use some of the gold. And I think I'm going to add just a little bit of this metallic berry in there, because it's one of my favorite colors. Let's see if I can get any more of this silver. Okay. Okay, I don't have very much paint there, but I'm not going to need very much paint. It's a very small canvas. And let it all run down. Give that a minute. Kind of see it coming out underneath the white. A little bit of white that dripped off when I was covering my canvas here, so I'm going to put that around it. Maybe we can float it a little bit. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. I love that copper. Just going to try and bring it to the other side of the canvas here. Not really liking the shape of it yet. Thinking about what I can do here. It's very interesting. There's like a gray in there. I'm not sure where that's coming. It's kind of a greenish gray. It must be something in that copper. I'm just going to continue to move this around until I see something I like. I don't really like the bottom part here at all. Maybe if I bring it up this way. Something I don't like about it here. I am going to remove some of this. I'm actually seeing a bird in here that looks pretty cool, so I'm going to see what I can do to bring that out a little bit more. Maybe you can see what I'm seeing if you look at it in this way. Zoom you out just a little. I see a big stork right here flying. That I like. See if I can move it this way a little bit. Bring it back. That I like very much. Very much. Tell me what you think. I like it a lot. I'll bring the camera down so you can see a closer look at it. Okay, everybody, here it is. I see a big stork in there. I don't know what you see. You let me know. But I think he's absolutely beautiful. There's that green that came out. I don't know where it came from. If you like my videos, please share them with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. And like I've said before, please let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for visiting. Bye.